Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming essentials, Android version and recent updates, because system changes often cause volume drift. Once done, open settings and go straight to sound, then media volume, and watch if it rises with no input. If you have accessibility features that map physical buttons, disable that toggle now. This prevents accidental software overrides. Make sure you also reboot after changes so the system resets audio services. That step often reveals. Next, diagnose by booting into safe mode to determine whether a third-party app is changing volume. If the rise stops, an app is the culprit. While in normal mode, inspect any app-specific audio controls. Streaming apps can manage media level independently. Also review Do Not Disturb and any automation apps or routines that adjust volume on schedules or location triggers. If you find a rule, disable or edit it. That explains why volume jumps at certain times or places. To finish, update all apps and Android system first, then uninstall any app identified in safe mode. Clearing an audio app cache can also stop unexpected volume changes. If software steps fail, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort, because that removes persistent misconfigurations. If the problem persists after reset, test with headphones and gently clean or inspect the volume buttons. Physical faults mimic automatic increases. If hardware seems faulty, consult repair services for replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.